John the Ripper is a powerful password cracker tool that uses the hash value of a password to discover the plaintext password. Now, in order to actually do this, a pen tester will take a file, and that file will contain the hashes that they're looking to crack. So we're going to be using this file called crackme. We can see in this file that I have put sample usernames and the hash values of the passwords. This will be perfect. If you would prefer, you're welcome to leave just the hash values in here as well, and John will be able to still crack it optimally. We can start by typing John --format. Now the format is where we specify the hash's algorithm format. If you're unsure what it is, we can just simply open up the file, copy one of the hashes, and we can just head out to a hash analyzer. We can paste it right in here and click analyze. So we can see it's MD5 or MD4. Because a lot of the times hashes aren't mutually exclusive, I always like to specify the format. So we can proceed with doing equals raw-MD5. If yours is a different format, choose the corresponding one on the screen. As a final step, we can just place the location of this file. So we can right click and go to copy, and we can paste it in there. Now we are all set to hit enter. And we can see here, John the Ripper was able to discover the password from those hash values. Now keep in mind that hash values are a one-way function, and the only way to guess the password in plain text is by trial and error, and John was able to do it in this instance. One thing to note when running it this way is we're using John's default wordlist. As we can see, proceeding with wordlist, user share John password.list. If you're interested in using the infamous Rockyou.txt, we can do that simply by specifying that in the command. So we can just head back here, and I'll put it right after here. After John, we can just do --wordlist equals, and we can put the path of that Rockyou text. We can hit enter. So we can see in this instance, the command was successful, but it says no password hashes left to crack. Well, that's because we already cracked them. Thank you for watching.